Alright, so this is Battlefield Bad Company Online with Phil R.
It's a bit hard to
Here,
hit him.
press X to change position. Get into the back gunner seat. Okay, press up on the D-pad. It was so funny from the angle we had it before. It was just like spinning in a circle. Alright, Liam, press O. Alright, Phil. Yo, Phil. Yeah, he didn't die. Press O. Yeah. Get back in a boat. Alright. Go to C4. Throw all of them on at once. And then turn around and run away. And blow them up. And repeat. Should only take another like 4. Fine. Yeah. Where's the ammo pack? Oh, he's throwing a new one now. This is the Omega Ghost boat. Now look at them. Alright, drive him to safety, Phil. Ghost boat. Liam's loving this. Try and drive from... You're just driving... Quick! Oh, Liam died. Wait, Liam committed suicide. Somehow. That doesn't make sense.